Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Barcelona at SmartCon 2023 by Chainlink. Joining me for this segment, we have Johann Eid. He's the Chief Business Officer at Chainlink Labs to discuss how Chainlink Data Streams will change the DeFi landscape. Johann, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thank you. Great to be here.
You got it. And you've just announced a new service called Chainlink Data Streams. Can you explain to us what that is?
Yeah, for sure. Chainlink has been providing data to the DeFi and crypto space for the last 4 years. Now, this data has secured around tens of billions of dollars for DeFi. It was really the building block for DeFi to grow to where it is today. The space has been changing, it's been evolving more and more, and we needed a new system to ensure DeFi can do more. So with the data we had, with the push system we had, data had some latency, right? With data streams, we reduce the latency to mere milliseconds. So now what you can do with Chainlink Data Streams is not only have very, very precise data, but also Chainlink Data Streams, through the use of Chainlink automation, can trigger trade executions at a very, very low latency rates. So we can get DeFi to do much more than it was doing before.
So what problem does Chainlink Data Streams solve in DeFi? What made you want to create a low latency data solution?
Sure. A lot of the derivative exchanges right now, the volume happens on CeFi systems. Systems which are centralized by nature and that can be cheated, right? So look at FTX, look at those. What we want to do is promote DeFi. We want people to be using verifiable, decentralized systems. And through data streams, you can now have DeFi be extremely performant with Chainlink Data Streams to do things like derivative exchange, like options, etc. So our main thing is how do we get DeFi to become the main venue for people to do derivative exchanges.
So how do you think it's going to change the DeFi landscape? Are there any use cases that are newly possible as a result of Chainlink Data Streams?
All the stuff that you can do in CeFi today, you can now do in DeFi, basically. Derivative exchanges, options, prediction markets, very, very, very low latency use cases with very high velocity are now enabled through Chainlink Data Streams. So really, DeFi can now compete with CeFi in terms of performance.
Are there any projects that are using Chainlink Data Streams in production already?
Absolutely. We worked with GMX for the last 6 months, which is a leading derivative exchange in the space. And they provided us a ton of feedback. We basically built our solution with them, so with their feedback. So now this project is live using Chainlink Data Streams, and we're talking to many more projects to integrate streams very soon.
All right, Johann, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on TradeTalks.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for joining me from Barcelona. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.